Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about converting one-dimensional units. First, let's talk about what a one-dimensional unit is. A one-dimensional unit is just a line. It has length, but it doesn't have any depth or height. We're going to work with two different units of measure today, the metric system and the imperial system. Most of the world uses the metric system. That is standard. The United States and another country or two use the imperial system. The metric system is a base 10 system. This means that each measurement is 10 times larger than the previous one. For instance, if you start down here at millimeter or milliliter, milligram, any of them, and the next one up is 10 milliliters. So a centimeter is 10 millimeters. A decimeter is 10 centimeters. And backwards, a decimeter is 1/10 of a meter, and a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter, and a millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. In the United States, we use the imperial system. This system is not based on any particular number like the metric system is. It is a collection of measurement systems that have developed over centuries. In fact, our word inch comes from the Latin word uncia, which was 1/12 of a Roman foot, and mile came from the Roman word meaning 1,000 paces, and yard came from an Old English word that meant belt. This system works for us, and it has for a long time, because we have figured out the measurements and we remember that a foot is 12 inches and a yard is 3 feet. I have to look up mile a lot, and that's okay. If you're going to convert measurements in the metric system, this one is easy. You're just multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10. So to go from centimeters to meters, centimeters up to meters is 2 steps. So I can divide by 10 and divide by 10 again, or just start out dividing by 100. And older kids might be able to just move the decimal point. So if the decimal point is here, I'm going to move it 2 spots because it's going up 2 steps. So it'll be 4.32 meters. And the opposite is true, going the opposite direction. 14 meters, I would need to move the decimal point twice. So 14 meters is 1,400 centimeters. Doing it in the imperial system is a little tougher. You can't just move decimal points. 84 inches you would need to divide by 12 because 12 inches is a foot. So divided by 12 would be 7 feet. And going the opposite direction, 4 feet, I would times by 12 to get the inches. 4 times 12 is 48. So it is still an easy way to do it, and we've figured out how to make it work. I hope I've helped you with converting one-dimensional objects today.